yung shredded chicken, nilagyan na natin ng seasoning natin na mixture of salt, pepper, paprika, cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder. So, sinisa na natin yung chicken. Then, we're topping it with a lot of cheeses. Cheeses, kasi tatlong klaseng cheese po ito. So, we have grated Parmesan, cheddar cheese, and mozzarella. Anong gagawin natin ngayon? We're making a Mexican enchilada, chicken enchilada. So, yung roast chicken na flake na. And we're gonna bake this on top of the stove. So, let's wait until the cheese melts. May nakalimutan pala akong i-add yung cream cheese bago natin po i-bake. Lalagay na natin. Softened cream cheese. Bali, 3/4 lang po siya ng 1 bar na cream cheese. Just gonna mix it. Itong 3/4 ng bar ng cream cheese. Gonna mix the chicken, the cheese, and then we'll bake it. So, ayan. We're going to bake it for only 5 minutes. Over medium fire to low. Making the sauce. First step is to preheat the Saladmaster 3/4 spoon in air saucepan. Gagawa tayo ng roux. So, una muna yung flour na gusto nyo gamitin. Pwedeng all-purpose flour, pwedeng cornstarch, in my case, almond flour. So, isasangag natin yung flour. Equal parts po yung almond flour at saka yung avocado oil ko. Any oil will do. So, this is a 2 tablespoon almond flour. So, binabrown ko lang siya. Pinotoast natin. And then, pag medyo brown na siya, add ko na rin yung 2 tablespoon of flour. So, ayan, I added the 2 tablespoon avocado oil. Then, next would be the chicken stock. The purpose po nito is to thicken the sauce later. It's 500 ml chicken stock. So, let it simmer. Cover natin. After 5 minutes, ito na yung ating baked chicken sa ating chicken enchilada. Cover ko muna. Gagawin pa natin yung sauce. Added the 1 bottle mild salsa. Nag-store-bought lang na salsa. Ganito. Yan. Add po tayo ng cream cheese tsaka cream dito. Yan. Dalawang ganito. Dalawang spoon nito. Siguro about half cup lang to. And yung natirang cream cheese, di ba kanina 3/4 lang yung ginamit, yung 1/4 no? Kaya ng squeezed lemon, tansya-tansya lang po. Sa akin siguro mga 2 teaspoon. Pwede na yun. Tapos dagdag na lang kung gusto mo. Mix, 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 mix. Pag nag-melt na yung cream cheese, that's it. Luto na yung sauce natin. And then we're going to assemble our Ovenless baked enchiladas, chicken enchiladas. Hola, hola. Guys, here's the next stage. Mag-a-assemble na tayo ng tortilla with our chicken enchiladas na kalaman and sauce. Wait for it. So, lalagyan lang natin, papalamanan lang natin ito ng chicken, cheese, tsaka konting sauce. Tapos roll mo. Chicken, konting sauce lang. Kasi mamaya pa talaga yung sauce pang topping. Then roll it. So, naka-roll siya ganyan and then nililayer na natin siya sa electric skillet. Then, tatap din ng cheese and sauce, then bake it. Okay? Wait lang. So, guys, ayan na po yung ating rolled tortilla with chicken enchilada na filling. Ilalagay ko na yung sauce, cheese, and then i-bake na natin sa ating electric skillet. This is our assembled chicken enchiladas. Lalagay na natin yung cheese, tapos kung gusto pa mag-add ng chicken sa top, and then yung sauce bago natin i-bake sa ating electric skillet. O, diba? Saladmaster way, ovenless way po yan. Wait lang po. So the next step is put the sauce. Tap the sauce. Ooh, sarapi. By the way, it's up to you if you want to spray the pan. Dun sa baba kasi nag-spray ako ng konting avocado lang. Avocado oil. Anyway, healthy naman yung avocado oil. So I'm just putting all the sauce. Okay. Nag-add na din ako ng may mga tira pa ako ng mga chicken. So let's just spread this. Chicken, then cheese. Tapos kung gusto nyo ng mozzarella cheese pa ulit para naman ang ganda lang ng effect pagka binake natin, add natin. Yan guys, may mozzarella cheese na siya, may sauce. Ibe-bake na natin siya sa ating electric skillet. So we'll just bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Wait lang. $176 or 175 pala. Okay. For 15 minutes. Okay. Alright, 15 minutes. Nag-off na yung probe at ito na yung ating wow! Ovenless baked chicken enchiladas! Yummy! Kakain na tayo! Saladmaster lovers! Yummy, yummy po ba? And here's our ovenless baked chicken enchiladas. Hola! Kain na tayo, senyorita, senyoritos. Mouth-watering, right? Ovenless baked chicken enchiladas. Cook in our Saladmaster electric skillet. Baked in our ovenless bake in our electric skillet. So friends, if you did enjoy this cooking show, just DM me at Saladmaster Lover by Ann Balingit at 0922-897-5209. Pwede rin akong i-chat dun sa aking Facebook page. Thank you so much and God bless everyone. Happy, healthy cooking and happy, healthy eating. Bye!